Allie, we're going to break down what this means legally in a second, but take a look outside federal court here on Lafayette Street downtown. You see Detroit police are staging for and anticipating protesters coming here this afternoon. You can see the barricades here on Shelby and Lafayette. Follow me here along the front of the courthouse. You see the barricades continuing all along the way. They have some to block the doors if necessary, and then the barricades continue around the block over on Washington Street. We also have, it looks like one protester here already that's, his sign says defend abortion rights. But why is this a focal point? Because this is a federal court issue. Take a look back in early May. There were dozens, if not hundreds of protesters down here on Lafayette Street. Back in early May when we got the leaked decision from the U.S. Supreme Court. What does it mean for Michigan right now? Nothing yet. It's business as usual. We do have a 1931 trigger law that makes abortion a felony. A doctor could spend up to 10 years in prison if convicted, but there was litigation that went to the Court of Claims and an injunction issued there. It is anticipated more legal action that will go all the way to the state Supreme Court for a definitive ruling. That could take weeks or months. Planned Parenthood, one of the entities that brought the suit that got the injunction.
When I think back to when I was younger and I had to get abortion care, and what if I couldn't? And where would I be?
Let me be clear, abortion is still legal in Michigan and our doors are open. But my heart is breaking for the millions of patients who are living in states that are cutting off abortion access today and in the days and weeks to come. As an abortion provider, I know how devastating it is to sit in an exam room and tell a patient I can't help them because state politicians have restricted their access to care.
So abortion is still legal in Michigan for now. Several county prosecutors who are Democrats issued statements back in May saying they would not enforce this 1931 trigger law. That also included Michigan Attorney General Dana Nessel. She's going to have a 1 o'clock virtual news conference to discuss this. And will that be her stand going forward? There could be political implications as well here in Michigan. It's an election year. Could be some swing counties, swing districts in the House and the state Senate.